Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Rinku Art, and I hope you liked my previous videos how to draw cartoons for beginners and you are enjoying too. Please keep practicing those exercises I have told you and you can easily draw your own cartoon character. So today in this video I'll tell you how to draw a cartoon from side, means I'll tell you the side view, because I think I have not covered that topic in last few videos, so I'll include that one also because that is also an important pose you need in animation. So let's get started.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
So here first I'll draw the head and then the body. Okay, so to start that I'll first draw a circle like this. It should not be perfect circle. Okay, so this is the head part, and from here what I'll do, I'll draw a line here. This is not exactly in the middle, it is below that middle point. Okay, and from here I'll draw a center line. This is the eye line and this is the center line, but the eyes will not lies over here, instead it will be over here. Okay, and the ears will be over here, and here the nose and the face over here, the hairs, and here we need to draw the eyes. But remember one thing, whenever you are drawing the eyes, it should not be circle, it should be oval. If the eyes from the front is like this, then it would be like this. Okay, so here's the eye one side, so only one eye is visible over here, and the mouth, ears, and from here you need to draw the hairs. Now I need to think how the hair would look like. So this is the neck, and from here I'll do the body. And here the shoulder will be there, shoulder area, hands, the legs. So I'll draw the pant, I'll draw the pant over here and the legs. And the legs and the another leg. So like this you can draw your character. And okay, one thing I'll do the draw the hand, the left hand like this. So here the character from side view, it is ready, and I'll do a little cleanup. I'll take the darker color, maybe blue, and now I'll start doing the cleanup. I'll zoom in so that the lines and the part which I am concentrating to draw will come nicely. So first I'll do the eyes. I'll take my time to draw the eyes nicely because, as I have told you, it is the important part in cartoon character. Okay, and now I'll do the shape of the nose and the contour. I can do some changes over here, no issue. You can make any changes over here, but it should be nice enough to make your character good. You can see that here the chin portion is not there. If you want, you can do that also. I want to change the hairstyle. I am not liking this, so what I'll do some funky type style. Like this, and the neck should be little thinner. So what I felt like this head is coming little back, so what I'll do, I'll make it little forward like this, and now it is looking nice. So while drawing only you will get to know whether you are drawing perfectly or you have some issue with the drawing. That you can do, or you can fix it anytime. See, I am doing the strokes over here, so you need to practice the strokes. Slowly you will get the strokes in your drawing. No need of worry, slowly it will come. This area I am putting dark so that it will give the feeling that this is inside. Okay, and like this. And here the pant is there. Pant you need to draw like up to the knee. You can change it, you can make it short or long. All the designs of pant or shirt, whatever you are drawing, you can take the reference from internet if you are having any doubt. The legs I am drawing here is little stylized, so here you can also put the shadows. It will give you a nice look of the character. Some depth will come. And now the remaining is the left hand, which I feel is little mistake is there, and I'll fix it. You can put some shadow, and if you want you can draw a pocket, and yeah, that's it. It's so simple. But one more thing I need to add. I'll first hide this rough layer, and I'll get to know if any mistakes is there. I'll go towards the eyes. I'll fix the mistake over here, or I can draw the lines which are required, and I can put some extra lines to give it a new look. These are secondary lines, so you can do later on after completing your drawing. I want to add some color. Yeah, so that's it. So this is a small demonstration of a cartoon character from side view. The basic thing here it is I'll tell you. This is a circle. See, this is a circle, and if you want to extend or make the chin, then you can do like this. Okay, and here you need to do the placement first. The center line, sorry, the eye line and the center line to place the ear over here, the point where it is intersecting. Just behind that you can add your ears, and here the nose. Okay, eyes, the placement I'm talking about over here, then the neck, the body you can do as I have told you in my previous videos, like you need to draw the rectangle, or you can, if you are practicing this type of thing, then you can do very easily. That's why I'm telling that every day you need to practice those square, rectangle shape things. Okay, and while drawing this, keep in mind, if you are having some doubt, then you can do a small circle so that you will get the hip over here and this area, and from here you can draw your legs. If you want, you can make it like this. Okay, it's very simple. If you'll draw like this, see, so here the prospective lines are there. Let me tell you this also, because that leg is that side, it should not align with this leg. Instead it will be like this. The prospective lines are like this. This is the base. On that, this leg, these two legs are there. Okay, on it. And hands like this. The shoulder first you need to draw, then square, rectangle, then circle, then again one rectangle, and here one square. So basically, if you are drawing your hand, first you will draw the shoulder as circle, then again you will draw a rectangle. Okay, and again you have to draw the joint as circle, then again a rectangle, and you can draw a square over here. In between you can add again a joint, that is like it will be circle. Okay, and here a triangle, and here small triangle. This is the hand construction. Got my point? Just try it and let me know if it is easier for you or not. Otherwise I'll find some other ways to explain to draw the hands from side. Okay, so you just try it out, and please write me in my comment box whether it is easy for you or not. I'll explain you more examples. I'll give you to understand how to draw cartoon character from side or from back or 3/4 or front. I'll give you more examples on that. So first I want to get the clarification that whether I am explaining, whether my explanation is understandable or not. So please comment me, and yeah, that's it for now, and I hope you like this video. So I'll meet you in my next video, and comment me whatever topics you want me to cover, and I'll do on those topics in my upcoming videos. So thank you once again. Bye bye and take care.